Dear friends, in this video, I am going to talk on the external anatomy of prawn. As already mentioned in some other video, the animal that living in freshwater is called prawn, right? The same thing is in marine environment is called shrimp. So the body structure is almost similar, both shrimp and prawn, but only little bit difference. As shrimps, this head and thorax is fused together. We call it cephalothorax. And this is the abdomen, and this is the tail region. As in shrimps, this is called the projection is called rostrum, and it is having serrations, isn't it? Teeth, and you will see both the dorsal and ventral teeth, isn't it? Right? As I stated, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So dorsal 8 and lower nearly about 11. So 8 divided by 11. So that is the rostral formula of this specimen. So based on this rostral formula, we can identify the species. So each and every species it will be different. The rostrum size also it is going beyond antennal scale. This is called antennal scale, and sometimes it is very small, equal to a antennal scale, and so on. And there will be a crust. So all these characters used for identification of this prawn. Then in cephalothorax, you can see the compound eye, and you will see antenna and antennule, right? This is sensory function. As in shrimps, in the cephalothorax or head portion bearing 5 pairs of walking legs. We call it preopods, isn't it? 1 to 5. So what is the difference between shrimps and prawn in terms of walking legs? I already stated in shrimps, first 3 legs are chelate, but here in prawn, first 2 legs are chelate. At the same time, the second chelate leg is very large in size, right? Especially in freshwater prawn, the Macrobrachium rosenbergi and malcolmsoni, you come across a very large size second chelate legs. And also, in males bearing spines, the spines are very large, and so the chelate legs are very large in size in male, and also the spines are bigger in size when compared to female. Usually in shrimps, the females are larger and males are smaller, but here in freshwater prawn, the males are larger in size and females are smaller in size. So that is the chelate legs are very large in size and bearing spines for males. Whatever it is, both male and female, the second chelate legs are very large in size. Now, you come to the pleura, right? I already told you this is 6 segments, and first 5 segments bearing legs. We call it swimming legs or pleopods. And here, the second pleura actually overlap first and third. Second pleura overlap first and third. This is the character which differentiate shrimps with prawn. In prawn, the second chelate legs overlap first and third. So that is different. Coming to the tail region, you can see uropod and exopod, endopod, and finally it is tailson is there, and exopod, endopod, and finally uropod. We call it generally call it tail. In shrimps, 50-50, head occupy 50% of the body, and remaining 50% is edible portion. So whereas in prawn, this head is occupying 60%. What we are eating is only 40%. That is a drawback of this prawn, right? Prawn, only the edible portion is 40% and the head is 60%. So head is occupy a major portion of its body. So that is the drawback of this animal. And male and female, how will you in shrimps, petasma, that is male sexual organ, and telecom is female sexual organ. Here there is no organized sexual organ in this, right? So at the base of fifth walking leg you can see the genital pore, male genital pore, and at the base of third walking leg you can see female genital pore, so that there is no organized sexual organ like telecum and petasma, which is present in shrimps, which is totally absent in this animal, right? Only the genital pore is there. The male genital pore is situated at the base of fifth walking leg, and female genital pore is situated at the base of what do you call third walking leg. So these are some of the external anatomy of freshwater prawn. And that in freshwater prawn, especially macrobrachium, that is cultivar species, and the commercial brand name is Campi. In culture, you can see three types of males. Even though we are getting seeds from same mother, right? You can see after third month you can see different type of males. That is blue claw male. Based on the color of the claw, we can say blue claw male and orange claw male and small male. There are three types of males are there, and each and every male it shows its own behavior. So these are the external anatomy of prawn.